Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Bluehost hosting plan, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Bluehost hosting plan, start by logging into your Bluehost account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the account menu on the left sidebar. Click on the account option to expand the menu. Next, select the billing section from the expanded menu. In the Billing section, find the Products tab. Under Products, locate your current hosting plan. You will see an option to manage next to your hosting plan. Click the Manage button to access your plan details. Scroll down to find the Cancel option. Click on the Cancel button. You may be prompted with a confirmation message. Read through the message carefully to understand the implications of cancellation. After reviewing, confirm your decision to proceed with the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Make sure to check your email for any further instructions. Keep in mind that some fees may apply if you're within a specific billing cycle. Review the terms related to any potential refunds. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to Bluehost support for assistance. Your hosting plan should now be canceled successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.